Hey guys, it's me, the Calaton, and today we're going to be adopting my squirrel monkey. Yeah, he has the best name ever. His name is Oooh, Yeah, no. Such a great name. So then what we're going to be doing is we're adopting the two others besides this one that I got for Christmas. Not in this video, but in the next videos. And then we're going to adopt the one that I got from my aunt, the one that my uncle got me, then the ones that I got from Dollar Tree, then the Webkins that I got from the Signature. I'm all pumped. I'm ready to do this. Let me just type in the code. Yeah. Hey guys, so I typed in his name just to see if it would work, and oh my god, it worked. So it's Oooh, and he's a boy. Yeah, that's his name.
Well done.
I wasn't kidding when I said his name was Oooh. I really like this plush because his arms are all fluffy. Ooh, space camp! Ooh, space camp. Oh, and by the way, I changed my a bit. Apparently, squirrel monkeys go to space. Okay, well, let me just... That was me throwing the squirrel monkey on accident. Well, it wasn't really an accident, but I threw him because I wanted him to land in my pile of Webkins. But he didn't. So that was a really big bummer. I'm going to have to go fetch him in a second. Like, I'm going to pause the recording. Go get him. That's what I'll do right after I name this. Wait, what's his name? Oooh, ah. One second, guys. And we're back. So let's open the squirrel monkey box. I got a super exclusive gift box, a dancing Zingos, and a red welcome balloon. We got freeze-dried bananas. I really like the PSI of him. It's very cute. We got a space jacket, which he has to wear that. Let's see if we got an actual item. We didn't get that item. I'm just putting that there. No. Looks as if we have not. Ooh, wait. We got a space shuttle! Yeah! Do they still have that space theme? Like... I'm sorry, I'm quiet. I'm looking for the theme. If not, I'll use the starry one now. I'm feeling kinda homesick, too much pressure and I'm nervous. And then the taxi cab turns on the radio. Oh no, that's probably well, that is copyrighted. So I'll shut up. So here's his space room. He has... Oh, that is so cute. So he has a little space shuttle, which he needs to put in park. And he needs to get out. Eject. And it... So, thank you guys for watching Oooh's adoption. Bye!